You have talked about war. In Kenya, we face this extremist group, Al-Shabaab. So many youth, the second generation which we are looking for right now, is being moved, is being called to that
They are
group.
influenced by Al-Shabaab?
Yeah, influenced by Al-Shabaab.
Because it's not only in Kenya, everywhere. Al-Qaeda, Taliban, Boko Haram, in Nigeria and other West African countries, Taliban in Afghanistan, Al-Qaeda in Middle East, ISIS in Middle East. Because of the economic crisis, if you observe and see, minutely go into detail, you would see that all started after 2008 economic crisis. Youth does not have jobs. This is why they are frustrated. And if they are influenced by Al-Shabaab or these type of extremist groups, those who pay them some quite attractive amount or some other promises, so they think that if they overtake the governments, their economic conditions would be better. So this is why they are influenced. So if governments provide job opportunities to the youth and leaders serve their nation honestly, all the resources, country's resources are well organized and utilized for the betterment of the country, then I think 70% of this frustration will be removed, and they will not go into the hands of any of the extremist groups.
The governments are not honest because corruption is increasing.
So you have to make your governments honest, you see. If you see all the third world countries, almost all the countries, whether they are in Africa, in Asia, or South America, or any other place, they are all corrupt. And until and unless they reform themselves, they discharge their duties honestly, they understand their responsibilities, you cannot see any change, and all these youth will fall prey in the hands of extremist groups.